my head, thinking about the things that you said. Well, I guess I should have known better. I laid my soul bare in a 2-page letter, headed so sorry I just couldn't wait. I had to get out before it got too late. Yeah, yeah. Our love, we laid it to rest.